keep stirring the pasta in there.
Mm-hmm. Hi, hello.
Gotta keep stirring this, babe. Thank you.
Huh.
Ready? Got you.
How are you?
You're like, okay.
Hi, Kimberly. Thanks for joining. So good.
Yeah, sounds good. It's gonna kind of simmer in the sauce so everything kind of gets to know each other.
Hi, Hilda. Thanks for joining. We just made some delicious penne Alfredo pasta with chicken. And we used the Pete's Pasta brand today. So this is our first time trying this one. So it's we'll let you know exactly how it goes. But this is supposed to be like a low carb pasta, which, as we know, that's probably one of the only flaws of pasta, is that it's high in carbs, which isn't always a bad thing, but if you're eating it on a regular basis, it's definitely better to have a low carb pasta.
Everything in moderation.
Yeah, in moderation, exactly. So that's what's great about this, is you can still enjoy pasta a couple of days a week because this is that low carb pasta. And it also has 17 grams of protein, and it's keto friendly. So, oh, and made in Italy. I mean, can you get any better than that? Keto friendly, made in Italy. It came with
Pasta
3
Kings.
bags. Yeah. It came with 3 bags. So we have the one, this is the full bag here. And then we have these other 2 bags here still left to use. So it does come in a pack, which is good. Because when you see the price on Amazon, you're like, what? But then you realize it's 3 packs, and you're like, okay, that's more reasonable.
Mm-hmm. I'll make sure all those flavors get to know each other. Mm-hmm.
Ah, hey, Lisa. We're just cooking some dinner, girl. Good to see you hop on here.
All right, time to serve up.
Mm-hmm.
Ready?
So here's the final